Hello, Khushiya. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, sir. What's about you, sir?
Good, fine. So you applied for front-end position, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before starting, just tell me about yourself.
Thank you for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Khushiya Patil. I am from Chalitgaon. I have completed my BSc in Computer Science from BPR's SME Science and KKC Commerce College, Chalitgaon, and I am pursuing MCA from North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon. Along my degree, I have done many other activities like a poster presentation, model presentation, and science exhibition. If I speak about my interest, I like to learn music and I love cooking and dancing. And about my strength is I am a highly responsible person and I am a self-motivated person. And my weakness is I am a little bit emotional and sometimes I think overthinking that. That's all about me. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Can you explain about your previous organization
Sir, I'm a fresher.
as a fresh? Okay. How much rate yourself in HTML, CSS, JavaScript out of 5
Out of five, I give three rate overall.
in all three? Okay. First, we go ahead with the HTML, CSS, then we start on JavaScript. Okay.
Okay, sir.
First, tell me what is the difference between inline element and block level element?
Inline element always start on same line. Block level element are always start on new line. Inline element contain the width of inline element contain the width of its content and block level element contain the width of its parent 100% width. And inline element example are anchor tag, image tag, bold tag, strong tag, and block level element examples are div, table, list, header, section, footer. We cannot apply top and bottom margin to inline element, but we can apply top bottom margin to the block level element.
Okay. What are the difference between display none and visibility hidden?
Display none and visibility none both are the CSS property. When we use the display none, that means the element is the element is present but it is not element is not exist. And when we use the display hidden, that time element is exist but it's not show but its space occupy in web page.
Okay. Now, what is mean by box sizing?
Box sizing. Box sizing is used to calculate and control the total height and width of HTML element. By default, its size is content box. For example, its client give the div that size is 300, but this size increased 370 because of width plus padding and width plus border are also increased.
Okay. What is box model?
Box model. Every HTML element is considered as box model. Box model consists of padding, border, margin, and content. Margin is the space outside the border, and padding is the space inside the padding is the space between content and border is the separator between padding and margin, and content consists of text and images.
Okay. What is the key difference between HTML element and tags?
HTML elements hold the HTML tags hold the content and HTML elements inside the content. HTML tag are start and end with angular bracket. Inside the HTML tag we can return is considered as a HTML element. An HTML element is a like a keyword. Uh, for example, p tag, and each tag has a specific meaning. In HTML elements, content is general, not any specific meaning.
Can you repeat again?
HTML element, HTML tag hold the HTML element, and HTML element hold the content. HTML tags start and end with angular bracket. In HTML element, we can write inside the HTML tag is considered as a HTML element. An HTML element is a like keyword, and each keyword has a unique meaning. Like a p tag, div tag has a unique meaning, and in HTML element, content has a general context. It's not a special meaning.
Okay. What is the purpose of doc type?
Doc type declaration. We use a doc type declaration because it tells the browser which type of version, which type of HTML version we use.
What is difference between EM and I tag?
EM and I tag both are the HTML tags. Both are make a text bold, but we use a EM tag with some text as a extra importance. That time we use a EM tag, and we use a bold tag. Uh, if the it's take
I
a
say what is difference between EM and I tag?
EM and I tag. Okay. EM and I tag both are the HTML tag. EM tag stand for emphasis text and I tag stand for italics text. Both are make a italic. Both are make the text into italic, but the text with the more important. Then we are placed into the EM tag, and I tag make a any text italic. Why?
Can you close your door? Noise is on your
Hello, sir. Can you repeat?
Can you close the door? I think some disturbance is going on.
Okay, sir.
What is mean by attributes?
Attributes tell the meta information of HTML element to the browser.
What is mean by meta information?
Meta information like we use a attribute like a href, source, etc. It's give the meta information.
Okay. What is mean by float?
Float is a CSS property. With the help of float property, we can move the text in left and right side on your page, web page.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
For text or HTML element?
HTML element.
Okay. What are the list in HTML?
There are the two type of list in HTML, order list and unordered list. By default, unordered list display bullets.
Okay. Share your screen and show me one example of the list. But I want to starting serial number with the small Roman number. How to achieve it? Show me.
Okay, sir. Screen is visible, sir.
Yes. Hello, Patil. Turn on your camera first.
Okay, sir.
What happened? What?
It's not working.
Okay, you try it after the. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Which type of semantic tag we use in HTML?
Semantic tags.
Yeah,
P tag, div tag.
I see semantic tag.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, no problem. What is mean by specificity?
Specificity is the process to override the CSS. For example, inline CSS is a higher specificity than internal, and internal CSS is the higher specificity than external CSS.
Okay. Which type of advanced selectors we use in CSS?
We use a attribute selector and pseudo class. Pseudo classes are divided into the subclasses like a attribute selector and pseudo selector. Pseudo selector divided into two subclasses, pseudo element and pseudo classes. Attribute selector are used. It's take a attribute name and attribute value, and pseudo selector in pseudo classes, it is used to define the state of a element. Pseudo classes like a first of type, nth of type, nth child, nth even, nth odd, over, active, focus, and pseudo elements are first letter, first line, before, after selection are the pseudo elements.
What is difference between them, pseudo class and pseudo element?
Pseudo classes we use in a pseudo classes we use a colon. In a pseudo element we use a double colon, and pseudo classes define the state of a particular element, and pseudo element define the part of a particular element.
Okay. Which type of symbol we use in general sibling selector?
We use a tilde symbol in general sibling selector.
Okay. We have one order list here. HTML, CSS, JS, Angular, React. Okay.
Okay.
Now I want to background color to each even li. How to achieve it?
Okay, sir. Even na, sir?
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Good. Now can you show me first tell me what is difference between the nth child and nth of type?
Nth child and nth of type both are the pseudo classes. We use a nth child. That time it is used to it is define the state, define the position of a children of a specific its sibling. It's define the state position of its general sibling, and we use a nth type. That time it is define the type. I'll show you example.
Okay. Brush upon it after the interview. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In how many ways can we position an HTML element?
There are the five ways: static, absolute, relative, sticky, and fixed. Static is the by default position of HTML element. Left, right, top, bottom are not affect the statics, and fixed position. We use a fixed position to the any HTML element, so it is fixed on the same position. We move the when we page scroll, it's not change its place. And sticky is the hybrid of a fixed and relative. And relative position is used to uh, it's relative from its normal position. And absolute position, if you want to move any element tag to the overall page, that time we give the absolute to the its parent.
What is meant by sticky position?
Sticky position is the hybrid collection of fixed and relative.
Okay. Suppose we have two dudes, okay, and two classes on that, both two.
Okay.
Create one first box. Its height width is 500 by 500. Take a background color any, and we have another box. Its height and width is 100 by 100, and take a background color red. Okay. Now I want two second box on the center of first box. That means match the both center of.
Okay, sir.
First, show me your HTML. Okay, go ahead.
Background color black, so
Take any.
Hello, sir.
Start on Java. Okay. First, tell me what is the function?
Function is a block of code perform a specific task.
Now, tell me what is use of index of, last index of, and caret?
We use a caret method. Caret method return the specific character, and index of method return the position index of that specific character, and last index of method return the last index of a character.
Okay, show me one example of caret method. First, tell me what will be the output, then run it. Okay, don't open the console or browser.
Okay, sir.
Okay, tell me what will be the output here.
The output will be O because of in third number the character will be represent O
Okay, go ahead.
index of, sir. Uh, we
Okay.
use the index of its written index number 2 because of L present in index number 2, first occurrence of L.
Now, at line number 6, remove the single quote.
Index of
Yeah, just type it.
it's written -1.
Okay, sure.
I can include any string or not.
Just type L, alphabet L.
Alphabet N.
L,
It's
L.
written alpha.
Remove that all.
Hmm?
Remove a single quote. Yes. Type L.
L.
Yes. Don't use single quote. We type. Now what will be the output?
It's written -1.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Save it and check. Console.
That is not defined
Why?
because of we not include codes, so it's not understand what is real, so it's give error. It is not defined.
Yes, I know. It's feeling not defined. But okay. Uh, can you explain what is difference between undefined and not defined?
Undefined undefined means we declare a variable but not assign the value, and undefined and null. Nulls
Not def
define
not defined. I say not defined.
not defined. Not defined means the variable is not exist, so it's you not defined.
Okay, not defined. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's why it's showing at line number 6,
Undefined,
not defined.
not a defined.
How many methods we use to extract this string?
Extract string. We use a slice, sub str, substring.
Okay. What is difference between slice and substring?
Slice method, we can extract the substring of a original array, in same as we can also extract the substring from a original array in substring. In slice, it's not include the last element, and substring it's include the last element. For example, we can slice from 1 to 3, so it's give 1 2, and we use a substring that time it's give 1 2 3 up to 3. It's
Are
give
you
the
sure?
total length.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
You say extract the string from array.
Extract the string. Yes, sir.
First tell me slice method is string method or array method.
It is a string method.
Then why you are saying weapons array?
No, sir, it is using string.
Suppose take one comment the above code first. Copy the line number 2. Take that string.
Line number 2.
Yes. Yes, we do. Okay. Now print the last two alphabet in console. How to achieve it?
Last alphabet.
P and T.
P and P. Show the last two character na, so
Yes. Only alphabet.
okay.
P and T.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Now suppose we use lengthy string with thousands of word. That time how to achieve it? If we, our string is changes each and every time, that time how to manage it? You use hard coded it, but that time how to achieve it?
Mm, sorry, sir.
Brush upon it after that. Okay. Good.
Okay.
What is the question?
Coefficients means convert one data type into the another data type, like a number to string, string to boolean.
Okay. Take one variable num let in double quote 100.
100
Okay, then plus
plus
plus remove this semicolon.
plus
Then 200
number or string.
number only number
Okay.
minus
Minus
true
2
true
true
true plus
plus
10
10
10.
10.
Now what will be the output? Don't run it first. Tell me.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Tell me. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Check it first again. Okay. Open the console and check.
100 209
Open the console first. Okay. It's showing 100
209.
209 and your answer is 100 200 2 and 10.
Because of sir true indicate 1, so 200 minus 1 and then include 10, so it's comma 209 and then it's concat with the string.
Brush upon it again. Not question. Okay.
Okay.
What is factory function and construction function?
Uh, constructor function create a constructor function is a blueprint of a create object or instance. If you want to create a same product multiple times, that time we use a factory function. And factory function is create a objects and return it.
Okay.
I'll show examples of.
No. What is array and object? Just tell me definition.
We can store a multiple data on the basis of index number. It's called array. And we can store a multiple data in a key and value pair. It's called object.
What is scope?
Scope is the accessibility and visibility of a variable.
And
Accessibility and visibility of variable.
visibility.
Accessibility and availability of variable.
Okay.
There are three type of scope: function scope, global scope, and block scope. We declare a variable inside function. It's called a function scope. We cannot access this variable outside the function. When we declare a variable in global, like a app.js file in anywhere, it's called a global variable. And ES6 introduced two new keyword, let and const. We can declare a variable with a let and const. It's create a block scope.
Can you explain what is pop, push, shift, unship method?
Yes, sir. Um, Pop, we use both are the array method. We use a push method if you want to add an element at the last of array, end of array, and we use a pop method if you want to remove the last element of array. Uh, we can add a two or more element in push, and push method return the element which element will be which item or element will be removed, and in a push the array length will be changed, and a shift method is used to delete the shift method is used to delete the first element of array, and unshift method is used to add the element to the front of array.
In front of array? I'm not getting you. What is in array?
Unshift method if you want to add the element at the start of array, so we use the unshift.
That means zero index. Now, what is splice method?
Splice is a array method. We use a splice method if you want to add and remove the element of an array. Splice method return the new length. It's reflect the original array, and it's take a three parameter. If you want to delete element, at least one parameter is required.
Show me one example of that.
Splice example. Yes, sir. Can I console it?
First tell me what will be the output.
Uh, in splice, first number 2, it indicate that which position I insert the element, and 0 is indicate that how many elements I want to delete, and JavaScript is mean that which element I will be insert. So the output will be HTML, CSS, JavaScript, JS, Angular, or and Bootstrap.
Okay, check it. Okay, now remove the zero comma. Yes, remove it. After JavaScript, comma, type in string ES6. Now what will be the output?
HTML, CSS, JavaScript, ES6, JS, Angular, Bootstrap.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, check it.
HTML, CSS,
JavaScript is
ES6.
missing. Why?
Okay. Because of its because second parameter take the how many element which elements will be delete. So
Tell me what is mean by higher order function.
a function which is declare a function which is used as an argument in another function, it's called a higher order function.
Okay. What is difference between for each and map?
For each and map.
Map.
We use map is a higher order function. We use a map when we want to use the same functionality of each and every element. That time we use a map, and
And
it's hello,
yes, yes, go ahead.
and it's written the same length of its original array. And for each is also higher order function. Uh, we use a parameter in higher order function.
That's it.
Yes.
Okay. Again, brush a part in it. Okay. Now I'm sharing one array with you. Okay. In chat box, just copy it. I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Copy it from chat.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now find the ages of each company and then double their age. How to achieve it?
find the age.
of each component, and then double the year ages. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you try it after the intro. Okay, now what is difference between filter and find?
Filter and find both are higher order function, and both are find the index, but we use a filter method. That time it iterate the whole array until the condition will be find. In find, suppose that we have a for loop with a 10 element, and condition will be satisfied in a third step. So it's not iterate. It is not iterate after that. So time complexity will be less in find method, and time complexity will be more in filter method if you use a filter method.
What is the use of reduce method?
Reduce method is the same as a for each.
So,
Oh, sorry, sir.
what is use of flat method, short method?
Sort method is used to sort element in ascending or descending array, ascending or descending order.
Flat,
Math.
flat method.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, no problem. Tell me what is difference between sum and every method.
Sum and every method both are a higher order function. Sum method, we use a sum method. It's at least one element will be find, so it's return the value. It's return a boolean value, true or false. In every method, it's each and every condition will be each and every element will be satisfy this condition. So it's written true, otherwise it's written false.
Okay, good. Okay, Khushiya, done from my side. Do you have any question?
Um, yes, sir.
Yes.
How can improve me? How, how can
Okay.
improve me?
Mr. Will send feedback.